In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make animated text video in Jitter. Jitter is a fantastic tool for those looking to add some dynamic flair to their text and videos, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to breathe life into your text with ease. Let's begin by navigating to Jitter's website. Once you're there, you want to head over to the Drafts section. If you're working on an existing project, you'll see a list of your saved projects. Take a moment to find the project that you want to breathe new life into with animated text. Simply click on it to open up your workspace. After your project is loaded, the next step is to identify the part of your project where you want to add or edit your text. Click on the text element within your project. It should highlight for you, providing you with various options for editing. This is your canvas where you'll work your magic. Once your text element is selected, direct your attention to the top right corner of your interface. There you'll notice a bold button labeled Animate. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up Jitter's animation controls, giving you access to a world of motion possibilities. And here's a little tip. If you're ever uncertain about what a button does, Jitter offers helpful tooltips. Hover over options for clarity. Next, you'll want to click on New Animation. This is where the real fun begins. You have a fresh palette, ready for you to apply a wide array of animation effects. This part can be quite thrilling. It's like being a kid in a candy store. Each effect offers a unique way to catch the viewer's eye. Now it's time to choose an effect that perfectly complements the theme and tone of your project. Within the animation panel, explore the effects listed. You'll find everything from simple fades to more complex text animations like bouncing or sliding. Take your time to preview how each effect animates your text on the screen. There's no rush here. The beauty of Jitter is in its simplicity and power, allowing you to tailor each effect exactly to your liking. You can even go back and adjust settings to fine-tune the animation speed, delay, and more. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've turned static text into a lively part of your video project. Jitter makes it incredibly easy and fun to enhance your creative work. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to play around and see what creative combinations you can come up with. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial on how to animate text in Jitter. I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy animating.